On today's menu, a delicious weeknight recipe that's a piece of cake. A simple stir fry with mixed vegetables and rice cakes. Lei hong ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. Join me in this episode as we make something that's delicious and of course super easy to cook up. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, definitely give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Bring a pot of water to boil for the rice cakes. Peel and chop one red onion into bite-sized pieces. You can use a couple of shallots or a white onion if that's what you have on hand. Chop the broccolini into bite-sized pieces. In this episode, I'm using about 50 grams of broccolini, but of course you can use regular broccoli if that's what you have on hand. Finally chop 2 to 3 pieces of garlic. This recipe is good for about 1 to 2 portions, but of course you can multiply to make more if you like. Thinly slice 1 carrot. I'm slicing the carrot to be a similar shape to the rice cakes to give it a nice visual appeal. Remove the end bits to the fresh shiitake mushrooms. Slice down about 4 shiitake mushrooms. You can definitely use rehydrated shiitake mushrooms if that's what you have on hand. Slice in half 4 spears of baby corn. Make the sauce by combining together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili oil. Looks like I need to make more of that smoky chili oil myself. I'll definitely leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tablespoon plant-based oyster sauce. Give the sauce a stir and set it aside. These are sliced rice cakes. Should be pretty easy to find at an Asian grocer, either frozen or refrigerated. This has a texture of kind of like a mochi and will really take on whatever sauce you put to it. Really delicious. When the water comes to a boil, place in the rice cakes and boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Remember to give it a stir occasionally. Saute pan. Medium heat. 1 tablespoon avocado oil. Add in the red onions and carrot. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. By the way, today's episode is a companion video to one of the recipes found in the 4th cookbook, simply titled Dining In with Will. For more information about this cookbook or the other ones, you can definitely check out that link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Add in the garlic, shiitake mushrooms, and broccolini. You can admire those beautiful colors while sauteing for 3 to 4 minutes. When the rice cakes are cooked, add a couple splashes of the cooking water into the pan. Then drain out the water from the rice cakes. Add the rice cakes into the saute pan. Baby corn, about 100 grams bean sprouts. Pour in that delicious sauce. Saute for another couple of minutes to combine all those amazing flavors. Plate the stir fry. Top with some freshly chopped green onions and some white sesame seeds. You can now dish out this delicious stir fry with absolute confidence. That smells so good. Those are literally like pillows of deliciousness. This dish is visually just rustic, it's casual, and those rice cakes really absorb that sauce like no tomorrow. Those veggies are fresh and it has that al dente bite along with the mushrooms that add so much umami, so much earthiness, and has that nice tender texture. The rice cakes have that mochi-like mouthfeel, but it's absorbed so much of that sauce. Every bite of the rice cake cakes is like an explosion of the salty umami from the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, a little sweetness from the maple syrup, and a little smoky aroma from that chili oil. The sauce is sticky, it's rich. It makes those rice cakes just beautifully glossy. Not only is this recipe really delicious, it's also really versatile and so simple to make in your very own kitchen. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like this one, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version of these books available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.